Hello friends, this is Astrologer Mohnish and thank you for watching my videos on Vedic Astrology. This video is for those who have invested their money in Tesla Motors. We know the Tesla Motors stock, they missed their earnings 2 times in this year. And then what is about to come? Okay, so people are asking questions. Is it still safe to keep investment in Tesla Motors, in Elon Musk companies? What would be the next earning? Would be there any surplus earning, some positive profitability, or we can still see that lackluster growth in that. So I will be highlighting my astrological perspective on the Tesla Motors, that if you are accumulating their stocks, what you should be doing. You should keep adding it, or you should just wait for it to come back and bounce back. So before I go there, these are the predictions I made last month for January 2024 predictions. There's a video on the YouTube. The link will be given below. And you see that easily. I mentioned that Sun will be entering in this nakshatra Uttarashada on January 11th, and it will add to the rise in the stocks of petrochemicals and gold and crude oil. And similarly, I mentioned here Sun entering the nakshatra of Shravana on 24th of January, it will add to the prices of fuel and crude oil. And if you have not seen it, if you go back, look at the chart of the crude oil, right in here, right? See that 17th of January, right from 16th of January, the prices are going up. Look at it. How accurate it is being predicted by Vedic Astrology, Sarvatobhadra Chakra, which is the holy grail of predicting financial astrology. So you can see that the predictions I made, even for the gold, you can see the gold is also bullish. It is going upwards. You see that it is going in the straight line, and then it is hitting its bottom a little bit on the Fibonacci series, and then 23% retracement, and then it will be going upwards again. So stay bullish on the gold and stay bullish on the oil for until the end of this month, for mid of February. And then I'll make another video showing where the gold and the crude oil will be going to. Now, coming back to the topic of Tesla Motors, you can see here, this is what's happening right now. They missed their 2 earnings. This earnings on the 18th of October 2023 was minus. And then this earning was also in the minus 0.02%. So which is again, causing some panic in the market, whether this is the right stock to own, or we should be diluting it or selling it off. And you can see RSI indicator is also showing that heavy sell-off is already happening. Now, if I go to the chart of Tesla Motors, I'm going to open the birth chart of Tesla Motors and then go to the annual chart. So July 3, 2003, 9:30, Austin, Texas, when the company was formed. And I'm going to simply go and make the annual chart, 23 July till 2024 July. And here you see easily the second house, which is ruled by finances. This is the house of your finances and your growth, accumulation. Ketu is sitting here, malefic Ketu, and it has been aspected by Jupiter from the 8th house. And it shows that definitely this company is into engineering. It's producing the motor vehicles, Tesla. It's a very popular brand. But Ketu sitting in second house is cancelling their accumulation of wealth during this year. And this is the house of growth, which is ruled by Moon. Moon is coming right under the direct aspect of Sun, which is the 12th house. 12th is losses. And also the 9th aspect of Jupiter is falling in air. It shows that there is a time of transformation. So the growth will be halted, will be stalled. Transformation, pain, and challenges will be there for the company. And Mars, which is sitting in 11th house, it's also the lord of 8th house. It shows that maybe they need more funding, or maybe need to change their architecture, some kind of engineering, some kind of a transformation to bring it back, pull back their stock and bring their investors back into their investment arena. So the 2023 and 2024 July is not going to be a very favorable period for Tesla Motors. So if you're an investor, the next earnings is going to be on 17th of April 2024. I'm pretty sure that this is also will be in the negative. So it will be very negative. Consider the similar what we had in the last 2 trends, or it will be very much below the expectations of their investors. So just be aware of this, that Tesla Motors is not going to have a favorable time during this year. And after this earning, I will make another video to show that what you should be expecting in the matters of prices, where the Tesla Motors should be going in. So for now, I believe that the prices will go down till here, 151. This is the support level. You can see in here, if I just draw a line here, you can use a Fibonacci series line to always draw your support and your resistance. But a plain line shows that 151 is a support. So I'm pretty sure it will touch this support, and then it will just keep hanging in this particular zone for a while till the Tesla brings some transformation, some changes to push their stocks up while showing their great earnings. So if you are bearish on Tesla, stay bearish. If you want to add more stuff, then wait it for it to reach the level of 150 or below 150 to add more stocks into your portfolio. So this is about Tesla Motors. So the stock you should be watching or you should be investing in 2024, as per my analysis, is Nvidia. So if you see the stock of Nvidia, how faster and how stronger the growth is showing. And I'm not looking at only the technical analysis. You see from January of 2024, it's going very, very high. And why? Because the demand for the computer chip, for the artificial intelligence is growing, for your graphic card is growing a lot. And this is what rising and increasing the demand of the chip industry. And Nvidia makes one of those chips which is being utilized for the graphic cards for the gaming industry. And I'm not looking at only the technical analysis. I'm looking at the birth chart of Nvidia. And if you see that, the February 24, 1998, 10 a.m. Delaware, which is where it was being registered. And if I make their annual chart, 2024 of February till 2025 of February, you can easily see that the three main planets, Mercury and Saturn and Sun, they are sitting in the third house of information technology. And this is the house of growth. 11th is house of growth, ruled by Mercury, sitting right with them. Mercury rules the logic. Mercury rules engineering. Third house is also of information technology. Saturn is also the significator of the technology, especially the information technology. And it has been aspected by Moon from the 9th of fortune and growth. Okay. And then the second house, accumulation, strong Mars, 6th Lord sitting in here. And ascendant Lord Mars, in this case, Scorpio is also sitting in here, shows a very tremendous growth. And growth will come from the international market because the 12th Lord Venus is also sitting here. So this is the stock you should be looking at. Again, I'm not showing the Sarvatobhadra Chakra, but I have already had a look on Sarvatobhadra Chakra also, that where the planetary positions are and how much growth we will be seeing in 2024 for the semiconductors or for the industries which are making, the companies which are making the blue chips, the semiconductors or the graphic cards. So Nvidia is a company you should be looking at this year and start investing in this. This is, you will see that growth after growth every year will be there. And 2024, you will see that different rise in the prices of Nvidia, and they will go very, very high. A lot of growth will be seen in this. So start accumulating these stocks if you're looking for it, or wait for it to little bit retrace back and then add to your portfolio. So this is my advice for my followers, my subscribers. And if you have any stock in your mind, any company you want my analysis at, that how 2024 or beyond will look like, I will be more than happy to do that. These are the stocks I have accumulated myself, and that's the reason I'm always watching these, where they are, how they're performing. And again, for Tesla, Elon Musk chart is very good. I've seen its chart. Maybe in the next video, I'll show that. So don't worry about Elon Musk. His companies will do good. For Tesla Motors, just be aware of that this year is not going to be the very favorable year for them. So if you're invested in Tesla Motors, just be watchful that you should wait. And then if it reaches the level of 150 or below that, then you should put some more to your portfolio. But don't go crazy on that, because this year you won't see much of the growth coming. Rather, they will be sluggish period for Tesla, their sales, their drops, and then again, they need to retransform or redo some of their re-engineering to show the growth and the sales in the market and capture the audience and capture the market segment. So this is my advice to all my clients, my students. If you have any question, feel free to reach out. Again, this is Astrologer Mohnish once again. I shall see you in my next video very soon. Stay tuned and thank you for watching. To all my channel subscribers, we will perform once every month Devi Baglamukhi Tantrik Puja for the welfare of my all subscribers. This is the divine science, this is the divine channel, and this is my offering free of cost to you, that once in every month Devi Baglamukhi Tantrik Puja, which is the most potent puja in removing the fears, the sins, the sorrows, the challenges, the hidden enemy, and the guilt from your life, including black magic. So do not miss out. Please subscribe to my channel so your names or your virtual names can be added to the list of that puja. And if you are my premium subscriber, you can email us your WhatsApp number. My team members will send you the videos of that puja over the WhatsApp. This is for the premium subscribers. For normal subscribers, your virtual names or your names will be listed, and this puja will bring tremendous changes in your life. This is my offering to you, your guru, Astrologer Mohnish. So don't miss out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe it now so that we can put your name in the next puja, which is coming very soon. Thank you.